Hello everyone, so I'm going to be opening some more packs of Turbo Attax. This is part of the bigger bundle that I got from Silverstone, but there was just too many to open it in like one video, so I'm going to do it in a few. So these are just the packs that were in the bundle. So let's have a look what we get. Max Verstappen, RB, Mario Andretti again, Tomo Mayata, George Russell, Williams, Alain Prost, Tops Awards, Moment of the Season, Max Verstappen. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Pink, Icons of the Grid, Emerson Fittipaldi. These pink ones are nice, I like the pink. And then George Russell. Yes. So, let's get on to the next pack. Obviously, again, just looking for my Lando cards. We have Austrian Grand Prix, Alpine, Roman Stanek. We have Giuseppe Maria Marti. We have Haas. Oh, there we go. Victory Lap, Lando Norris, Singapore Grand Prix 2024. That's another for my little stack over here. We have Icons of the Grid, Lewis Hamilton, Carlos Sainz, and then we have Supernova, Isaac Hadjar, and then Supernova, Alex Albon. Move these over here. Oh my god, I'm getting attacked by packs. So we have the Dutch Grand Prix, another cool Lewis Hamilton card, National Pride. On Stroll, you can get over there. Alexander Dunn, Toto Wolff, James Vowles. Yay! We have Michael Schumacher, Icons of the Grid. Aw, we love Michael. Person who got me into Formula 1 in 1998. Shows how old I was. We have Ollie Behrman. Ooh, we have a Tops Awards Celebration of the Year, Charles Leclerc, the pink version. It's pretty cool. And then Lance Stroll. You can get over there. So that's that. Next pack. No numbered cards yet, and I've opened probably about 20 packs so far. We have Monza, Victory Lap Max Verstappen, Fernando Alonso, Icons David Coulthard, Gabriel Mini, Carlos Sainz. We have the Team Dynasty Mercedes. Again, I'm throwing it because of this guy, not this guy, but there we go. Stars of Tomorrow, Lewis Sharp, 2024 champion Gabriel Bortoleto, and then Supernova Yuki Tsunoda. Am I going to get a numbered card in this entire thing? I'm probably going to be opening about like 75 packs or something like that, and if I don't get a a numbered card, I'll be very disappointed. F3, Lewis Hamilton, team card, Rafael Villagomez, Oscar Piastri, Kimi Antonelli, we like that one, Rising Rookies, glad I got that. I'm not sure what I think about these people around the edge, I don't know, it just looks a bit weird. We have Williams, Stars of Tomorrow, Arvid Lindblad, that's pretty cool, probably at some point going to be in a Red Bull. Ooh, 100 Club Max Verstappen in pink. That's a cool card. That is a very cool card. I like that. Yeah, I like that a lot. And then Esteban Ocon on the end. So we have Sprint Superstar Max Verstappen, Rodin Motorsport, We have RB, Team Dynasty Alpine, which is already out of date before it even came out. Gabrielle Mini, Carlos Sainz, Life is a Roller Coaster. Sprint Superstar Oscar Piastri. 2024 champion Leonardo Fornaroli. I can never pronounce his name. And then we have Aston Martin and the regular 100 Club of Max. These cards I think are my favourite, the 100 Club. But I think the 100 Club last year were really nice as well. But I've not added a Lando card to my collection yet. Disappointed. Do we have any... Oh, we might have a signature style in there, if these are the same kind of things. We have Jonathan Wheatley, Jack Doohan, Fernando Alonso, Andrea Stella, Oliver Behrman, Ferrari, Max Verstappen. Oh, yay, Diamond Pull, Lando Norris. I'm glad that I got a card that's really nice, and it's Lando. Diamond Pull, I like that. So that's got the same like texture as the signature styles had last year around the edges. That's a nice card. That's my favourite card that I've pulled so far. And then Charles Leclerc. So that is everything I got from my few packs that I got in my bundle. There will be more videos on this channel of Turbo Attax 2025 coming up soon. See you later.